Hello, scholars, and welcome back. Let's get right into the work for today. Make sure that you complete your warm-up. Today is Thursday, November 12th. You will find the warm-up in the week 13 folder. Your objective will be to critique and evaluate the effectiveness of characteristics of multimodal and digital text, because in real life, you will need to be able to evaluate a variety of communication sources. You will do this by evaluating a video about the reform in HMH and fill out a graphic organizer about the effectiveness of sound, visuals, graphics, and word choice. You should already be in Schoology in today's folder. Again, complete that warm-up. And now I want you to open the Factory Reform Video Graphic Organizer. Make sure that you look at the instructions. You will go to the HMH platform and look for that view activity. I will show you how to do that in a minute. As you watch the video, take into consideration visual and sound elements such as the footage, illustrations, music, and sound effects. Also, use these strategies for viewing. Consider the viewpoint of the documentary. Is it objective, based strictly on the facts, or does it make its point in a subjective way by sharing only certain views? Note images used to help you connect ideas and think about what the creators emphasize and what impression they might want to convey. Go ahead and open the graphic organizer using Kami. This should pop open. Let's read the instructions. Factory Reform Video Graphic Organizer. Pay attention to the visual and sound elements in the film. Listen for sounds and words in the narration that help to connect viewers to the conditions in Victorian factories. Also, note visual elements that may persuade you to take a certain viewpoint about the subject. As needed, pause the documentary to make notes about what impresses you or about ideas you might want to talk about later. Replay or rewind so you can clarify anything you do not understand. Very important that you do this. Pay close attention to this video because remember that the end objective for this grading period is that you will create your own multimodal text. Pay attention to the sound, what is heard, the sight, what is seen, and the word choice. How is it say and what piques your interest? What effect do all of these things have on you as a viewer, and why does this affect you? Make sure that you analyze that because you are going to want to do it as effectively as the producers of this video once you get to do your own project. Now, to access the actual video, you will go to your apps. You will use the HMH Ed platform. Click on it. Once this page appears with your name, you will scroll over to the tab that says Assignments up here. It will populate with your assignments. Your assignment will be the third one. It should say View on it. Click on the Start, and this page will come up for you. Make sure that you read the background information because it will provide very important details about what you are about to watch. Once you scroll down, you will be able to see the actual video. Play it, make sure it plays all the way through. You can also expand it. Again, as you watch, make sure that you pause so that you can go back to Kami and take those notes. Pay close attention to the video. Once you are done watching the video, you can go ahead and go back to your dashboard. And in the dashboard, again, in your assignments, you will then be able to click the I am done button when you have finished watching the video, when you have finished making those annotations. Make sure that you go back to your list of assignments, and next to that assignment, the view assignment or any assignment that you have completed, you need to press this I am done button, and that's how you will submit it. Also, make sure that you submit your Kami assignment through Schoology. Okay, scholars, if you have any questions, reach out to me using this button for messaging, and I will see you soon.